Today we're making fermented biochar. This is going to be using a bottle of dairy kefir, some expired instant oatmeal, and a total of 20 gallons of charcoal that we made in our fire pit. This has been soaking for several days with pond water, so you already have some nitrogen stuff in there. That's not really the point, it was just to keep it damp. And then we're going to mix all this in and we're going to grow life. This is going to be a key ingredient for making our soil. Rather than getting a bunch of wood, running it through a wood chipper, giving it a full year to break down, and then it's all filled with that good fungal life that you want to go into soil, this is going to happen a lot faster. This is going to inoculate and really heavy in lactobacillus. That's the primary ingredients in these things. That'll eat this up, and then this will go into the soil.